Well, I was gonna start with a good morning, but I already spilled my coffee on my white kicks, and also it's the last day on the ship, so it'll get better. I've had a few cups of coffee now, and I'm over the white kicks casualty. That's the new thing. But anyways, it's a really sad day. We are leaving the cruise ship in the next 15 minutes or so. Our bags are already gone, and wow, yeah, I'm gonna definitely do this again. But it's okay. We're gonna spend another week doing other things around Puerto Rico and Florida. I think today we're gonna go, if we still have energy once we're off the ship, we're gonna go to a rainforest in Puerto Rico. I haven't been to it yet, but I'm gonna hopefully get some good video of that. We just made it through the customs and we are now in Puerto Rico. The ship is gone. But man, there's probably a couple thousand people in line ahead of us, and it was a really long line. But we're grabbing a taxi and we're gonna get our rental car. We just reached our ultimate destination. I'm just kidding. We just got to Starbucks, and we're gonna whip out some quick drinks and then on to the rainforest. Stunning here. I just hiked up to the top of that right behind me. There you go. You can probably see a little bit, and it's stunning here. But here you go. Alrighty, we went to that tower. That was really cool. And now I just got to a waterfall, which this place is known for waterfalls. The one we wanted to go to, you could hike to the very bottom of it and swim in a pool. Hurricane damage wiped out the road. You can't get to it, and you can't hike to it. They won't let you. But here is a waterfall right by the road. Can't see it very well. I'm going to get the drone up. There's literally like 3 other people here with drones, so I'm not getting in trouble by myself. But yeah, I'm gonna get some pictures, and then I'm gonna get the drone out there and get some really cool shots for you guys. But wow, is that beautiful. Look at that. I'm gonna hike up this little trail over in here right next to the waterfall, of course in my white kicks, because that would be practical. I mean, I already spilled coffee on them this morning, and yes, I'm still talking about that a couple hours later. So I ended up actually flying the other guy's drone for him. He got it up close to the waterfall, and he was really freaking out, so I landed it for him and everything. But I got some cool pictures of him with it. And then look at this, we're like right next to the waterfall.
And we're gonna hike down, and I think that's the end of the rainforest. But alrighty, we just made it to our hotel. It's the same one we stayed at before we left for the cruise, and they were super nice, very beautiful hotels. So we decided we'd stay here for the rest of the time in Puerto Rico. Just made it back to our beautiful room, and I don't know what our plan is for this evening. I know we're all hungry. We ate lunch at the Cheesecake Factory, then we went to the rainforest, which was a couple hours, and hiked around a little bit. It was really fun. But now we are here at the hotel. We're gonna go get some dinner later tonight, but I'm just gonna end the vlog right here so I can finish editing. I have ooh, little voice crack. Anyways, I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I need to get a lot of editing done. I'm like a week behind right now. So with that being said, thank you for watching up to this point. I really appreciate it. Please hit that like button, comment if you appreciated it, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.